Oh, that's gonna be good, yeah. Gonna be a big old fireball. Wish I had two-step and I could shoot flames. Do it like how Cleus and them do the Christmas. What's up, guys? So I'm gonna ride over to a place where a buddy of mine works. He actually works at a place that makes shirts. So I'm gonna see what it's gonna cost me to make some shirts. That sounds so freaking good. I love the way that sounds. So this is where I'm going right here. See, it says tags and more. So this is in Pearl, Mississippi. So if you're near this area and want some stuff done, please check these guys out. They do fantastic work. Hey guys, so as I was talking about in the other video, that I needed to finish this truck to be able to get the 4Runner over here so I can do the rear springs. I'm really looking forward to doing that now that I got those big jack stands. But so I got me some Walmart oil, Walmart filter. Like I said, this motor won't be staying in here, so not really too concerned with the oil that's going in this motor. But yeah, let's add some oil to this thing, and she won't crank yet because I still got to show you this. But when I was trying to take it off, yeah, it's so old. I mean, it's dirty. I'm gonna try to clean that thing up some, but this bolt right, let me see here. Yep, this one right here snapped off. So I don't know if I can do anything with that. So I'm probably gonna see if I can just get a replacement solenoid there, clean that up, put it back on. And man, it is a pain in the butt to put that starter back on. It's just the wires, trying to get them in place. But maybe when I undid the wiring harness a little bit, maybe it'll get on there a little easier. All right, guys, so get to use my new tool. Yay! So gonna install the drive shaft. I already went ahead and put oil in it. I mean, you've seen how oil goes in. You know, it goes where it goes, all that good stuff. So, but I'm gonna put this back up in there. Hopefully it all goes well, because I was gone and I forgot to move the bolts. So I think I put them all back up on the drive shaft, or on the differential. So here's to hoping. We'll see. All right, let's climb under here. You know what? I need to see what size they are before I climb all the way up underneath there. Oh, because it's tight. It's tight. Oh, I didn't. Okay. That's interesting. Bam, found them. Cool. All right, well, this is gonna be fun. I gotta get that in there. One end in there and the other one over there. But the thing about getting that one in over here is I don't know that is where it needs to go. You know, might have to move the truck back and forward. I don't know. Let's see. And that's gonna be interesting by myself. What's up, guys? Check it out. Y'all can see it. It's got a good bit of stuff there. It's not much bigger than what I showed y'all earlier, but it's because I was kind of lazy. I was a little bit lazy, but it's all right. So Mike was gonna like that thing. See if it's.
Yeah, there might be a lot of water in that.
We might need to find something else. Well, we might want to put some on that too. I'm pretty sure you thought that though.
What's that?
Hey, does it smell like gas?
Yeah.
Sweet. Oh, that's gonna be good, yeah. Gonna be a big old fireball. Wish I had two-step and I could shoot flames. Do it like how Cleus and them do the Christmas trees.
I don't know if you want your car this close.
Yeah, it'd be kind of close to that. Okay, that's good stuff there.
Sort of good stuff.
Woo! Look at that go! Oh! Mmm, that's warm. All that old shit there. It's Bill, he's filming me. Who's filming?
Howdy.
Yeah. This is what's left now so far. You can see all the fireworks popping off in there. We tossed some fireworks in there.
Bill, quit talking shit.
No driving. Can you see that? That is a Heineken.
Sorry.
I don't think you can even see that.
Some asshole behind you just keeps talking shit.
Nope, can't see that. Nope. Nope. Anyways.
A lot of beers in.
Oh hell, no shit.
It's a good thing you're not driving.
Yeah.
Oh
No,
God.
no driving taking place tonight, guys.
No hell no. Not tonight.
Unless we go to Mexico.
I'm gonna walk my ass right on the 204 here in a minute. And it's what is this? Oh, that's a movie.
Movies. Maybe I should wait till tomorrow to give him those.
You probably should.
He'll be
no,
fine.
No, I'm good.
He'll be
good.
fine.
We're good.
He'll see him tomorrow and be like, hey, what are they? Oh,
Ooh,
I half remember this.
shit. Oh, hello.
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 It's a discipline.
Hello.
A discipline.
Oh, yeah.
I have no discipline.
Whoops.
No, hell no.
There we go. Trying to show everybody what's.
Quit showing people your hiney.
Yeah, look at my hiney, guys.
Ooh, it's a nice hiney.
Yeah. And we got some
So green.
Pabst Blue Ribbon.
Yeah.
I'm white trash and I'm in trouble. Happy New Year, Bill.
Same to y'all.
Later.
Love y'all. Y'all be safe, okay?
Bunch of these, guys. Bunch of these. Isn't that right, Michael? PBRs right there.
Have a good one next year.
Woo. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. What's up, guys? So, yeah, it's the next day. It's the new year. Happy New Year to you people. Yeah, I need to bleed the clutch in this thing and go ahead and jump it off with the 4Runner so I can get this thing crunk up. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put you on my head so y'all can see what's going on. Here we go. Guys, what's going on? So, bleeding the brakes. So on this thing, it's the bleeder screw on the clutch, the slave cylinder on the transmission is a 13 millimeter. So what I'm having to do is I'm pressing it down with this, holds it, and then I get to squeeze up underneath there. And boy, oh boy, is it a squeeze. Oh. And there ain't no light under here. But I got fingers. Let's see. And you can hear a little. So now we go release it. Oh, it's so fun doing it by yourself. Oh. I had a buddy that was like, he's just, well, Michael. He was just like, wait till I get home, shit like that. I'll help you out. Huh. I'm too impatient to do that. To wait? Oh, man, what is that? I am one impatient person. don't know if y'all can see what's going on here. All right. If I'd have had I wish I'd had an actual hose I could have put on it, going down into some fluid, you know, so I could see what's actually going on. But it's working though. It's just a bit of a hassle. That's all. Dry, so this is probably going to take a while. So I'm not going to bore y'all with this whole me going in and out this whole time. So got her done. Got her moved. So you can see I got the 4Runner now in the place, and here she is. Or he, I should say. This is probably the first vehicle that I've had a he. But yeah, I plan on now doing the Land Cruiser springs. That is the next project. That will be the next video you see. But let's crank her up. I didn't crank her up, well, I forgot to record it. I'm so used to just getting stuff done. Let's see here. I gotta work the key out of my pocket. I got like 6 sets of keys in my pocket. Well, 3 sets of keys in my pocket. She's open header though, so I'm gonna move my Saints hat that I got dirty, unfortunately. All right. So. See? Got plenty of oil pressure there, but yeah, I gotta replace the lower radiator hose. Even after tightening it on, it still leaks, so it's just old and worn out. So gonna replace that. But I was able to reuse the starter. Remember I showed y'all I had that broken bolt on there, but I was able to work that out. I actually had a starter from my Chevy that I had a while back, and coincidentally, they are the same thing. So that's gonna be it, guys. If you've stuck around to this point, I say congrats, and please like and subscribe.